Hello dudes, please before we start subscribe, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment with your thoughts or something like that if you don't mind. I wanted to install a piece of software called Playonlinux, which is responsible on managing the instances of Wine and help installing Windows apps on Linux. This exists in the AUR of Arch Linux and can be installed using many ways. One of them is the manual one by running git clone https://aur.archlinux.org/play-on-linux.git. You need to have git installed on your system, which can be done by running sudo pacman -s git, and then to keep up with this method we run cd play on Linux, and then we run make pkg-si. Password here. Here choose whichever you like. I will press enter and keep it default since it's fine for me. Here press Y and enter. While the app is installing using the manual method, I wanted to tell you that you may need to enable the multilib repository by going to /etc/pacman.conf and commenting or adding these two lines here. Since I installed Arch Linux using the script, I have chosen to enable them. That's why I didn't execute this step in front of you. However, in case you need to do it, please go to /etc/pacman.conf and add or uncomment these two lines in case you didn't enable them during the installation of Arch Linux and you needed them. Now it's time to input my password. Y and enter here. Alright, that's the manual method for installing Playonlinux. The second way is using an AUR helper, which you need to have installed. Using the same method of installing Playonlinux manually, you should install an AUR helper. You have many options like EA, Paru, etc. This method is as simple as running one command, which should be EA-s play on Linux, like this. Password and enter. Y and enter here. Of course, the output shouldn't be this simple since I have it installed and the dependencies need to be resolved already. There is a third method which I found and needs you to have the chaotic AUR installed on your system. The installation of the chaotic AUR I have done in my previous video of installing DOSBox X. I will put it in the description and it may appear in the cards in one of the upper corners. After having that enabled, simply run the command of installing anything from the official repositories of Arch Linux. The command should be sudo pacman -s play on Linux. I do have it installed. I should simply run the command and press enter and then Y here and done. Let's see our app. Play Playonlinux 4. You should find it in your launcher or the menus, etc. Okay. Yes. And as you can see, Playonlinux works the way you expect it. And you can install apps from the lists they give you, games, or you can install from a non-listed you can install a non-listed program from the thing you provide, like something you download from the internet, or media, or some media that you have somewhere, like in a CD or something, and you install it like this. That was how to install Playonlinux on Arch Linux. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and see you in another video.